I'm not sure if I caught this before. Sorry about the strong light. But basically this is the... so I'll put this on and you can obviously see... Oh, you can't see, can you? It's on the top. There you go. So you can see the connections are made that way. And then this goes inside the car. And I checked it on the scan tool and it registers just fine. I've noticed that this seems to be rather damp here. I'm not sure if it's because it's run down the engine when I poured it in, which I doubt because I was very careful with that, or if it's still leaking. It might be still leaking, or something might be coming out here, I don't know. Anyway, so I don't know, and I can see it's on there as well. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not sure about that. Anyway, the other thing is I've actually got the battery out. Here it is. So this is the battery that came out of the black one, basically. The one that came out of the grey one is now in the black one, and it's these ones at this side that are actually these ones at this side that are damaged. And you can see I've got a bunch of them. And what I need to do basically is do the same trick that I normally do, where we measure all the voltages from all the packs, and then just simply select the ones with the highest voltage and put them in. Because this has been sat for a while now, so the voltage has settled, and we'll see, and the ones that are self-discharging are obviously going to be a low voltage. Yeah, basically. So I might have a look at that tomorrow. You can see my connection bodge here. Yeah. I mean, I could put a connector in there now, actually. Those are soldered, but I can certainly snip them and put a connector in if I want to. But I don't fucking be bothered. Needs a screw in there, really, doesn't it? Yeah, the plug's out, so these terminals are all dead. Yeah, so that's this. And also I brought the little blue. Oh, I need to disconnect it, don't I? Yeah, so I need to disconnect little blue. So and keep it in here so we can dry it. Oh, I forgot the, yeah. I need to lift this, don't I? Yeah, it should be okay. Yeah. Yeah, just because I don't want the battery to discharge, and it's just better if it's just set left disconnected instead of on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I just leave it. Yeah, that's the positive, I believe. No, it's not. I think that's the ground. Is the light off again? Huh. That's the, so it goes through here to the, yeah, that's the negative, and the positive's there. I normally, what I did before is I just disconnected that because it was just simpler, but because the car's in here now, I can leave it like that, and that's disconnected now, so it won't discharge the battery. I mean, it won't discharge it much anyway, and the battery's in reasonable condition. But if it's sat for a while like this, at least it's not going to self-discharge, which is what happened before, and it destroyed the pack, which is not fun. Yeah, and that's of no use whatsoever as a charger, but I've got an alternative, which has come actually. Yes, it has. Yeah, I need to put that upstairs. Might get another one of these. You can get them for about 20 quid, so that might be worth it. Right. Yep. And I've picked up some more work from Lenaro, which I don't know if I can do, but hey. Right. Yeah, home time for dickhead. Oh, I still got to deal with that. I've tested all of the windings, and all of the windings are showing the same resistance, and there's no shorts to the casing. So that motor's fine. I need to contact the guy. I'm not going to test it, because if you power it up, the initial torque will basically make it throw it across the room, and I don't want that. It needs to be bolted onto something before I can do that. You know, because the inertia will just kill it. It'll trash something. It'll go into something, because it's not a small motor, obviously, and it's light. It's heavy. So yeah, basically what you do when you put it onto the three-phase is you turn it on full power when it's stationary. So you're going to have a lot of torque, and it's going to smash through something. I'm not going to do that. And I haven't got anything that can control it down. I mean, I can make a three-phase Inverter, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, not today.